partiers, it is your girl Tiffany back at you again with another what video. And today, you guys, I am going to be showing you how I do my charcuterie board. You guys, I'm going to do a Christmas charcuterie board. You guys, a Christmas dessert charcuterie board, you guys. So we're going to jump into this video before I show you guys. Okay, you guys, so I have my board here, and I also have, see this little Christmas plate, you guys, and this I purchased from the Dollar Tree. They had all different designs, you guys, but I chose this one. So I had this one for them. I got this from the Dollar Tree. There I go with that, not talking. You know what is up with that. And this is the charcuterie board I'm going to be using, you guys. See it? And you know what actually this is, you guys? This is a vintage chessboard. It's like a third world chessboard that I found, you guys. See, here's the back side. Look, and see these right here? These actually are like little cups. Like, say I was gonna do a veggie tray. And see the little, you can put your like tomatoes in there, different little pockets. But I'm gonna use this side of it, you guys. So let me put this down. And it's pretty big, you guys. It is big. But what I'm going to do is, let me focus my camera. Let me bring it back. What I'm going to do is, I am going to put this plate actually in the middle of this board, like this. I'm going to show you guys like this. Okay. And I'm going to try to see if I can fill up this whole board, you guys. I'll see if I have enough stuff. But I'm actually showing you two ways how to do it. I heard some noise outside. I don't know what's going on over my block, you guys. But I'm going to show you how to fill this one up if you just want to do a little tray like this, or you want to do a full board, you guys. So let me get started by showing you all the items that I purchased. And these are all from, well, I think it's at two things. Yeah, three things. Three? Yeah, three things. Okay, the rest of the things came from Dollar Tree, guys. So I'll start off first with these. I got some Christmas Little Debbie brownies. See, they're made like Christmas trees, you guys. And let me tell you guys one thing. Now, I'm a treat maker, you guys. But if I don't feel like making treats and I want to do it, if you want to do it the easy way, even if you do know how to make cupcakes and all that stuff, cake pops and stuff, if you don't want to do it and you just want to do it the easy way, you guys, you can just do the store-bought items. And that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys how to take the store-bought Christmas stuff and put it all together and create a board, you guys. So, like I said, these are the Little Debbie Christmas tree brownies. I'm gonna put these to the side. I purchased some Christmas tree cookies from my grocery store. I have some snow, some cotton candy snow, and this came from the Dollar Tree, you guys. It's called snowballs, cotton candy snowballs. Sorry if I'm just, you guys see me just throwing this stuff around. These caramel Santas. I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I have some Christmas Dum Dums, Dollar Tree. I have some some Christmas mix. It has like bells and Santas and little chocolate balls in there and a little peanut butter cups in here. These came from Family Dollar, you guys. What do I have here? These are double crisp chocolate coins, Santa coins. And you guys will be able to see them when I take them out the pack. These came from Family Dollar. I got some chocolate Rudolphs. These came from Family Dollar. Here's how the other one looks. I'm gonna reach over here. Some more chocolate crisp Santas. These also came from Family Dollar. I did purchase some ribbon candy. I'm not for sure if I'm gonna put them on this board. Ribbon candy. Let me show you guys how it looks. And I guess because of the like shipping, you guys, when they ship from the store, some broke. Let's see. That's how the ribbon candy looks. You guys. What else here? What else do I have? I think that is it, you guys. But I am gonna start this video, you guys. So, first things first. Let me move all this stuff out the way. I just created a big old mess for myself, you guys. So I flipped my plate around so you guys can see what I'm gonna be doing. But I already had opened some of the cotton candy snow, you guys. So that is what I'm going to do. I am going to take this snow and see, it comes in a roll, but what you can do is take it and break it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it at the bottom of my plate down here. So I'm just going to build up some snow down there, you guys. And like I said, I pulled it apart basically already. So I'm going to build up my snow. And you want to make sure, if you're going to do it this way, you want to make sure that you build up the snow, the cotton candy snow, pretty good. If you're going to stick items in the snow, stick candy in the snow, because that's exactly what I'm going to do, you guys. Okay, let me see. Okay, so let me turn this around. See how I build up the snow at the bottom of the plate, you guys? Now let me turn it around and see if this is how I want it. So I'm just going to play around with it and make sure that it's together, because what I plan on doing is sticking suckers down in here, you guys. I might have to open another bag up, I'm not sure. Okay, see that? See that, you guys? So I got my snow built up. Okay, okay. Now I am going to take my, oh no, you know what, you guys? I do need to open more snow up. Let me just put these. So I can show you guys how it looks when it comes off the pack, because I had balled mine up. I had broke mine up already. See? This is how it comes off the pack, and you just take it and break it up like this. So what I'm going to do is put some in the middle, right here. Kind of flatten it down. See that? How I build it up, you guys. Okay, now, let me see if this works. So I am freehanding this, so whatever I come up with, it's nothing I pre-planned on how to do this tray. I'm just eyeing it as I go, you guys. So I'm gonna take these store-bought cookies, if I can get these things open. Jeez. So I'm just gonna take my Christmas trees, see them? And I'm just gonna, wait a minute now. It's entirely too much stuff I got up here. Throw that to the side. I'm gonna take my Christmas trees and I'm just gonna build them up on this side over here. I might have to move some of this snow, you guys. Okay. So, let me see. See how it's sitting to me, and then I will show you guys. So I'm gonna try to get one more red one up in there. See you guys. See if I can get it to stay. Well, let me put this last cookie up here, and then that should, this cotton candy should hold it from slipping down. Okay. Yep, it did. At least I think. Okay, see how I got the cookies on there, you guys? I stacked them up on there. Now what I'm going to do is, let me see if this is to my liking. You kind of got to play around with it when you get your stuff on here. Okay. So I have my Christmas trees on there, cookie Christmas trees. Now on this side over here, you guys, I'm going to try to stack up my Christmas tree brownies. So let's see here. I'm gonna pour them out. And I'm going to start stacking them. Over here. And I'm going to turn this tray around because I can't see it that well. And then I'll turn it back around to show you guys. What I did. And I'm going to leave those brownies in the pack, you guys. I'm not going to take them out. Okay. So I had 2 more brownies left to work with. I'll figure out somewhere for them to go. But I'm just concentrating on the tray right now. So I have them on the tray. The brownies. Guys. Now I am going to take, let's see. I think I'll open some of these Christmas Dum Dum Suckers. And I'm just going to take them and I'm going to stick them in the snow. See that? See? Just going to stick them in the snow like that. Let me see. I think I had a chocolate. So that one didn't stay. See how it fell down, you guys? Let's see if I have a hot chocolate one. Okay, see how I got them sticking in the snow, you guys? Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to put these suckers to the side. I am going to take, where's that Rudolph? I'm going to take this Rudolph right here, this chocolate Rudolph. I'm going to take it off the box and I'm going to set it right here on my snow in between. See them, you guys? Let me see if I can. When I move this cotton candy slides off. But you see I got Rudolph right there. The snow. So let me just turn it around and see how it looks to me, you guys. But yes, Rudolph is going right there. And I think I'm going to move this sucker around. So, I position my Rudolph. I need for you guys to see this. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pause my video and I'm going to turn my camera around so you guys can see what I accomplished so far.